Hey, what's up guys? Just want to do a little video on the inside of my service truck, which at the time is in the process of being restocked. So don't have a whole lot of parts on it right now. Hopefully this week we'll be getting them all in. But yeah, there's my trusty Yellow Jacket vacuum pump, which I've been through hell and back, but she's still chugging away. Got all my gauges up here. Got so that's 410 right there, 22, and the extra set of 22 gauges. Got my chemical sprayer. Got my soap bubbles, just an empty spray bottle. Never know when you're gonna need it. Got a refrigerant scale right there, just some shoe covers, keep the houses clean. Got my Milwaukee super saws back there. What else we got? As you can probably tell, it's a dustpan. Got some tape up here. Got some condensate caplets for treating condensate drain lines. Some PVC glue. Got my, I can get it out the bag with one hand, micron gauge in here, CPS. If it wants to cooperate. There. CPS micron gauge. I got some tapes. That's my nitrogen regulator. Got leak detector there. Actually got another leak detector, Yellow Jacket leak detector there. Got a bunch of caulk and silicone and adhesive spray. A couple different types of screws back in there. Got my CPS refrigerant scale. It's a little bit newer than my other one down there. Got your trusty Dremel tool. This is a blower wheel puller. Let's see. We got my rigid sea snake. So open that up. Sorry, I'm doing this all with one hand. So bear with me. Bear with me. My sea snake right there. Take a look at evaporator coil without having to take everything completely apart. Comes in handy. Here's my swedge kit. I think it's got a tubing cutter in it. Yep. Nice fancy dancy swedge kit. Oh, what else do we have in here? Some thermostat wire up there. Old dryer vent. Condensate pump. Got some Robotex, got some electrical fittings and PVC fittings up there. There's my DeWalt drill. There's just a random filter dryer. There's a draft gauge right back there. My Tupperware containers, which don't have really anything in them right now, again until I get my parts ordered in. I got a Honeywell zone panel back there, a couple expansion valves, a liquid and a vapor pump down valve, a couple boards up there. Like I said, not a whole lot of parts in here. Got a few motors, condenser motor, a couple blower motors. Got my chemicals down there, my 100-foot extension cord, which is a lifesaver. Just got some sheet metal tools in there, some nice knee pads, which I really never use them, but they'd come in handy if I used them. But I got my drop light, another extension cord, got some random parts up here, some sequencers, disconnect, got some capacitors, a couple Honeywell 5000 thermostats. Some more metal tape back over there. And let me jump out of here. Ugh. couple cans of 22 and just about empty. I got my R22 recovery cylinder. Don't have a 410 on this truck. My recovery machine, my beat up wet dry vac over there, 2.5 gallon. Torches in here. Get my bottle of nitrogen. I just take the regulator off because you get all smashed up in there. Got my oxyacetylene torches back in there. Keep all that locked up. And a couple more Tupperware containers down there. Another long extension cord. That's really about it. Again, like I said, I'll do another video once I get all my parts on here. But yeah, like I said, that's the inside of my van. For right now, like I said, it's a work in progress. Just got out of the shop about 2 days ago, so been driving around another van, so I have to transfer some stock over. And that's the Lennox, one of those Lennox condenser coils that's falling apart. Did another video on those, and hey, that's about it. Almost forgot, I got a couple more drawers in here, which I need 2 hands to open. This just got a bunch of odd and crap in it. Got some more, bunch of tools, another wheel puller, some extra nut drivers, extra everything actually. I got a fuel oil test kit for working on oil. Got some DeWalt drill bits and attachments there. Like I said, just got another little Stanley socket set there. I got another big old socket set up there. So, and what else do we have in here? Got a proto Allen key set that goes on my ratchet wrench. The ones that are missing are in the tool bag, most used. I don't think I've ever used this giant. Well, that's a cool little set. Oil watcher, again for boilers, oil furnaces, stuff like that. Pressure gauge for a water heater. Like I said, just some odd and end tools, couple bolts. That's Big Daddy channel locks there. Those are the persuaders. Those will get it off. Those don't, nothing will. And yeah, I think that's it. Probably missed something, but you get the idea.